Home is essentially a place which totally defines a person.
Essentially your comfort zone where you want to come back after a long day, after a tiring, hectic day.
Foot like lead, nerves like steel. Wild ride when
Kitchen essentially is the heart of every home, and we spend most of our time there. Modular fittings and all will just help us in utilizing each and every space, and it gives a much better look to the kitchen.
Twists and turns, we never learn. Like the smell of the rubber burning.
We wanted to renovate our house and we mailed our requirement to the Morok people, and they reverted and we set up a meeting at their display area.
When reaching the display area, we met the sales executive there, and he very nicely showed us the various options of kitchens and wardrobes, and we were able to find exactly what we were wanting.
We drive through the deserts and the fields, up and down the coast, through the hills, losing track of time on the highway. We'll go all day, all day.
While the process was on, we were a bit confused about whereabouts of a few things, but the team was able to clarify all our doubts.
Excellent is the word. The team was very courteous, very professional, and everything was given to us at the promised time, and it really showed a lot of commitment. They assembled everything to the team, and we had absolutely no problems.
We've received a lot of compliments for our home, and kudos to Team Morok, and we've given quite a few references to our family and friends for the excellent work they have done. A big thank you for Team Morok for creating such a wonderful space at our home.
We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.